So these things are dormant. Where do they come from? Are they sort of locally embedded everywhere? So if I get a
Yeah,
cut on my,
fibroblasts are in almost every tissue,
they're sort of ready and waiting everywhere.
ready and waiting.
So you get a scar. So first you get some kind of injury, and you literally have to plug the hole and like stop the initial problem. And so they are literally turning into something like a muscle cell and then pulling the wound closed, essentially.
While they're generating scar, and then as that process, as you're resolving that injury, those cells will again either die, which is a
Mhm.
normal part of the repair process, or they'll de-differentiate back into that precursor cell. So that's actually one of our findings that we made, was that those cells do have the capacity to de-differentiate, and that on top of that, that capacity can be impaired when we age.
If I get a cut on my skin or something, the wound will essentially be closed because these fibroblasts will turn into muscle-like cells to hold it closed. My new skin cells will form and everything will go back to the way it was, almost, depending on how old I am and how well the process is working. And then those cells will either, the fibroblasts that helped pull the wound closed, they will either die off or turn back into fibroblasts because they're no longer needed there.